Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to color calibrate your display in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up the settings by right click on the start button and go to the settings. And from the settings, you need to go to the system right over here and then go to the display. And now you need to scroll it down until you find the advanced display settings. Just go with that advanced display. And now after going to advanced display, first of all, if you have dual monitor, you need to select that. And after selecting the monitor, you need to just display adapter properties for display 1. Just go with this option right over here. Just tap on that. All right. From here, you will see color management option. You need to go with the color management option. And again, color management, go with that. And then you need to go with the advanced settings, which is right upper side. Go with that, and from here you will see the calibrate display option. So go with the calibrate display option. And now, as you can see, we are going to start to calibrating our display. So how we can do that is very simple. First of all, go with the next right over here, and then again next. And as you can see, now we need to adjust the gamma. So what is the good gamma? It is good gamma is seeing like this. Okay, so then we will go with the next, and as you can see, we got a good gamma. So if you don't getting a gamma like this, like previously saying the good gamma, how is the good gamma looks, so you can just adjust it like this. Okay, just adjust it. After adjusting it as your display, then go with the next, and then you can just simply skip the brightness and contrast adjustment, as you have buttons in your monitor, like you have the buttons in below or beside the monitor, which you can just simply click and adjust the brightness with. Okay, so I will skip this option. After that, you need to adjust the shades of the color. So it's very simple, color balance. So how you can do that? Just next, go with the next, and as you can see, we are getting white as the white, then another shade, then another shade, and another shade, and another shade, like this. So if you are getting just the white is not looking like the white, so what you can do, you can just simply just scroll and work with this. Okay, if you're not getting the good color, you can just play with this and it will look good, trust me. Then after managing all the colors looking like the same, then you need to go with the next, and now it's just going to finish. So how you can finish, just like if you just want to go with the current situation of your monitor, you need to select the current calibration, or the previous one was good, so you can go with the previous one by selecting that. And lastly, you need to go with the finish and you will be done. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helps you out and you have got your idea to color calibrate your display in Windows 11. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day.